Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos con cambios en el radical, which are stem change verbs. We have 4 categories. The first category is O to UE verbs. Let's look at the verb contar, which, by the way, means to count. We have yo cuento, tú cuentas, usted ella cuenta, nosotros contamos, vosotros contáis, ustedes ellas cuentan. So remember, we see the stem change in all the forms yo, tú, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, except nosotros and vosotros. There's no stem change. In this case, O to UE, we see that. So we also call it a boot. Okay, let's look at the next one, volver, which means to return. Yo vuelvo, tú vuelves, usted ella vuelve, nosotros volvemos, vosotros volváis, ustedes ellos ellas vuelven. Okay, again, we can draw our boot. Okay, and the next one we have dormir, which is to sleep. We've got duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos, dormís, duermen. Again, we can see the boot, O to UE, in all forms except nosotros and vosotros. Okay, our second category is E to IE verbs. We've got the verb pensar, which is to think. Yo pienso, tú piensas, usted ella piensa, nosotros pensamos, vosotros pensáis, ustedes ellos ellas piensan. Next verb is querer, which means to want. In this one, we've got quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, queréis, quieren. This one's a little trickier. I mean, it's still E to IE, but you can see where it goes. It just looks weird because you have 3 vowels next to each other. Next one in this category is preferir, which is prefer. And this one goes like this. Prefiero, prefieres, prefiere, preferimos, preferís, prefieren. So sometimes when there's 2 vowels, like in this one has 2 E's, it's almost always the second one that changes. Next category is E to IE. We have pedir, which is to ask for. Okay, so this one's a little different. Now the E changes to an I. Pido, pides, pide, pedimos, pedis, piden. Oh, also it can mean to order, like if you're ordering in a restaurant. Okay, last category is U to UE, and we've got the verb jugar, which is to play a sport or game. Here we've got juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, jugáis, juegan. And you'll see in the other verbs more examples, but in this category, there's really only this is the only verb, jugar. Okay, I hope you're starting to understand the stem change verbs a little bit better. Adios.